In this video, we're going to take a look at how to go live on Yubo. So I'm currently logged in. This is the main page, the live page, and if you want to create your own, so you will appear on this front page, I'm going to show you how to do it. Like always, please subscribe to the channel. I create daily content, tutorials for you to enjoy. So let's get started. At the bottom of the screen, you're going to see that red camera looking button central at the bottom. We're going to click on that. And then basically it says start live video, and we just want to enable access so you can start to live. We're going to click enable camera access. Click allow. And then click allow. Then we're going to click settings in the top right hand corner. So you can choose what audience you'd like to be able to view and can join your live. So what age can join. So we'll just keep it as the default. Then I'm going to click on Start Live Video. But before that, at the top left hand side, we've got a hashtag emoji. So you can choose what emoji you'd like to assign to your live. We're going to click eyes and then click close. So the trending emojis is what appears on the top of the live, screen. And we're going to set a title. I'm just going to put "This is a test. Don't join." I'm sure someone's going to join. Okay, so we've got our emoji sorted at the top there. We've got the title. I'm going to click Start Live Video. Okay, so in the top right hand corner, you can see all the information that we just included. We've got one streamer, which is myself, and then when people start to join in, they'll appear just below. And then at the bottom of the screen, you have chat, so you can speak with people if you prefer, or obviously you're live, so you'll be on camera. So that's how you go live on Yubo. Enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, we've got 3 people.